Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to talk about the multiple languages support. Basically there's three main languages supported by Flink: Scala, Python, and SQL. So there's 5 interpreters in Zeppelin to support the Flink. %Flink provides a Scala environment. %Flink.pyflink provides a pyflink environment, and %Flink.ipyflink provides an ipython environment, and %Flink.bsql provides a batch-SQL environment, and %Flink.sql provides a string-SQL environment. Now let's go to the Zeppelin. So here, %Flink means that after that is the Scala code. Now let's write some Scala code. Okay, and in the Scala environment, there's already several built-in variables like the benv, senv, btenv, stenv, btenv2, stenv2. So benv means the execution environment, string execution environment. btenv and stenv means the batch table environment and the string table environment for the Flink planner. And these two are for the Flink planner. And for the pyflink, it's almost the same. Here is the Python code, right? Let's run it. Yeah, and there are also several built-in variables in pyflink, which is benv, senv. Sorry, let's print that. Yeah. Print btenv, print stenv, print btenv2, print stenv2. Okay. So this is the string. This is execution environment, string execution environment, batch table environment, and the string table environment for the Flink planner. And these two are for the Flink planner. And for the SQL, let's write the bsql. You can write the Flink SQL here, such as show tables. Now we have 0 table, right? We haven't created any one. And you can also you can write the help command. Then you can get all the available SQL commands that is supported. And the string SQL is almost the same. We can show tables. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this is the multiple languages support in Zeppelin. Thank you, everyone.